Hello everyone, and welcome back to Nice Travel TV. Today, we're exploring the rich history of San Jose, Camarines Sur. Originally known as Danlog, the town became independent from Lagonoy in 1813 and was first named Patrocinio de San Jose in honor of its patron saint, Sanjose the Patriarch. A church was established in the area by Fr. Salvador Mendoza in 1801. Despite being a small community, the townspeople worked together with support from Lagonoy to build a stone church, which was completed in 1818. The church became a lasting symbol of faith and unity for the people of San Jose. In 1883, the town officially became known as San Jose. More than 200 years later, its historic church remains an important landmark and was elevated to an Archdiocesan Shrine in 2019. Join me as we discover the story, heritage, and culture of this remarkable town. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nice Travel TV for more travel and history adventures. Enjoy and keep watching.